So this is got to be Clovis's favorite toy. It's a peanut puzzle box, but I use it for all kinds of different things. I stuff it full like every half hour, and he empties it within like 5 minutes. I fill it with all kinds of forging materials and sticks, and I'll stuff it full, and he'll work on it, and it's amazing how quickly he'll get it emptied. When I first put it up, he always studies it. He looks in there, looks at what he's got to get out. And sometimes when he gets it emptied, he'll like start trying to put things back in it. It's hilarious. He looked up. Look, I got another piece, Mom. I got 2 puzzle boxes in here, and I keep them filled up as much as possible because he just loves it. I have it emptied here probably about 5-10 minutes. All right, tell everybody bye, Clovis. Like, I'm busy. I'm very busy.